is all of our dirty ice, but we'll get to some white ice.
Okay.
But as you see all this rock on the side, that's where the glacier used to be. So as the glacier moves through, it tears all of that rock up in the ground underneath it.
Wow.
So, and then there's those little plants that kind of look brown right now. They're called dryas, and they grow around areas where there's been glacial activity, and they pump nitrogen into the ground, which allows other plants to kind of grow around it. So that's why you see just plants scattered all over the place.
So those, like that amount happened in just 100 years?
Basically, yeah. So,
Oh.
Wow.
which in perspective is like a short amount of time, but compared to the other glaciers like Columbia and Exit,
Oh yeah.
yeah, that they're melting rapidly.
Yeah. I saw a bunch of people posting pictures of it crashing. Yeah.
It's called calving, so it's like portions of it falling off. Like you can find those videos like in Antarctica where huge pieces of ice are falling. Which sadly I watched a video this morning about a whole bunch of penguins aren't reproducing because the sea ice isn't staying intact, it's melting off. So when baby penguin are born, they have like more of like a down feather. So the ice is melting too fast, so they're not dropping their feathers for like the slick stuff that insulates them in the water.
Oh no.
So when they hit the water, they freeze and stuff like that.
Oh.
It's super sad. And we can hear,
Yeah.
the echo of it, yeah. Which, yeah, a lot of those waves are, different. Like some of them just slope up. Some of them have like a hang, like this one we call middle. So that one has like a hang over it. So like you have to to get to the top, you have to hang a little bit. Yeah. But yeah, ice climbing's super fun, super cool.
Yeah, looks fun.
Yeah. About to make it to the top.
But how do we get down?
So we don't have anyone top out. Topping out is when you like go all the way to the top and then crawl onto the top surface or shelf. They'll just let the tools kind of like hang to the side, and then the guide will slowly let them like rappel down.
Oh.
So this guy's hanging.
Yeah.
And it looks like someone has a 360 camera.
Oh, yeah.
You see it?
Yeah. I want steak.
The bigger the rock, the more of a sound it's going to make as it hits the bottom.
Yep.
Oh, you got a really huge one. Oh my god.
You heard it.
Still big.
I told you.
My camera is making even bigger sound. Oh no!
Oh.
You heard it.
Hey.
So early on in the season, that's like a huge blue pool.
Whoa.
So the water comes up to probably where that line's at. So,
What?
but throughout the season, it drains because there's all these like tubes like under the glacier. So, and they start to melt, so all the water starts to drain. But it's starting to fill up again because like all this rock and stuff gets down there. So I think it's like blocking it off. Doesn't help that we're throwing rocks down there. So, yeah. So, but it's cool.
We're helping Billy.
If you want to jump in, let me know.
It's too cold.
So, but yeah, this is my favorite spot. I camped up there, which was really cool. And like waking up in the morning is really awesome. You have all this water just rushing by. Super sweet. Also had some beers out here too.
Oh, that sounds so nice.
Because the water's so cold, you just put your beer can in it and it cools it down. Yeah. And it doesn't take much. But yeah. Get as many photos and stuff. And then if you want to